Yung tatlong picture po kasi na yun, yun po yung pinaka-first travel namin together. Simula nung nagkabalikan po kami.
Kasi maigpit po yung parents niya. Yung papa niya po, yun nga po, bawal po siya makipag-date, mag-boyfriend.
For me po, right timing talaga, or parang tama na nangyari po yun sa amin before. Though nanghihinayang ako dun sa 8 years, pero tama siya kasi nag-mature kami.
Mark Julius, gaano mo kamahal si Eliza Joyce? Hindi masukat ang iyong pagmamahal sa kanya. Wow! Ikaw naman, Eliza Joyce, gaano mo kamahal si Mark Julius? Higit pa sa buhay mo, hanggang buwan, abot buwan ng iyong pagmamahal o sobra pagmamahal niya. At ito yung ine-expect at nais ng Diyos sa inyong dalawa. Laging mangibabaw ang pagmamahal, ang love.
It's all waiting for us.
Rabi, thank you for everything. See you at the altar. Sana magustuhan mo yung gift ko. I love you so much. From your husband, Mark.
Dear Bobby, this is it. I can't wait to see you at the altar. Let's enjoy this very special day. Kasi matagal na din natin itong hinihintay at pinaghahandaan. I will forever be thankful na nakilala kita.
Taking chances on a distant song that moves us forward. In the dark we feel it still. And the morning speaks to these open dreams. And we're right where we belong. I'll go anywhere with you. In the sunlight or underneath the moon.
Profess always your love. Lagi ninyong iparamdam ang inyong pagmamahalan sa isa't isa. Sa maliit na bagay o sa malaking bagay, iparamdam ninyo.
Writing stories with the stars. Knew we'd get here from the start. Knew we'd get here from the start. I'll go anywhere
Ingatan
with
ninyo
you.
ang inyong pangako sa isa't isa. Congratulations to a beautiful couple here. Wishing you a wonderful journey as you build your new life together. You may now kiss the bride. Muli, palakpakan po natin. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa, Mr. and Mrs. Mark Julius and Eliza Joyce Reyes.
Good thing our surnames both starts with letter R. Kaya nagkaroon ng chance na maging close tayo.
And today, I get to marry the man whom I can be my true self. With him, hindi ko kailangan mag-pretend. With him, I can be who I am. And regardless kahit anong mangyari, lagi siyang proud sa akin. Which is sobrang blessed ko for that. Kasi sobrang supportive niya sa akin kahit anong mangyari.
If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? I don't quite know.
love you. I vow to remind you of all the reasons on how we've made it this far when we lose patience with each other. I vow to love you with all my heart, forever and always. I love you, Mark Julius.
Those three words are said too much and not enough.
Sobrang happy po kasi na-meet ko na yung soulmate ko and sobrang blessed ko kay Mark kasi katulad po ng mention ko sa vow, siya yung nag-heal ng mga scars.
Today, I'll marry my soulmate. Thank you for being patient and for coming back to me at the right time. Your love healed all the scars and scratches I could never reach. And I can't wait to start building the life that we've always dreamed.
If I lay here,
Ikaw lamang ang aking mamahalin habang buhay.
if I just
Makakasama mo ako sa hirap at ginhawa. Ikaw ang pinakamagandang nangyari sa buhay ko. Mahal naman kita.
and just forget the world.